Thank you for picking this review. In a moment, we'll take a look at the product. But first, let me run through the bonus products we've put together for you. So if you buy the product I'm about to review, using the link in the description below, we'll include access to the following products as a thank you. The first bonus is the copy and paste trick, which we use to turn 3 hours into $769. You'll find the instructions and results included. The second product shows you how to make Google send buyer traffic to any offer you like. Number 3 is how to turn any sales page into your own sales tool. This is a great way to get started without any cost because someone else has already done the work. Then there's the side hustle escape plan and the free traffic machines product. So that's 5 products you can access instantly and use today when you buy the product in this review through the link below. Okay, so let's take a look at the product. So my aim here is to share a positive but realistic overview of Meelo App Empire. Meelo App Empire is presented as a beginner-friendly training system that shows you how to build mobile apps without learning to code. According to the creators, the focus is on using modern, no-code and AI tools to simplify the app creation process. What stands out is how the training appears to be step-by-step, covering the full journey, from choosing an app idea to building it, publishing it, and then learning different ways to monetize it. For beginners, having everything laid out in one place can be a big advantage. Another positive point is accessibility. You don't need a technical background to get started, and the tools used are already established platforms, not experimental software. This makes the learning curve more manageable for people who are completely new to app development. It's also worth being clear about expectations. While the course itself is affordable, publishing apps does involve standard platform fees, like Apple's developer account. And while the training shows real methods, results still depend on effort, app quality, and consistency. Overall, Meelo App Empire looks like a solid entry point for anyone who wants to learn how app creation works without diving into complex coding. It's best seen as a practical learning program rather than a promise of fast income. Thank you once again for choosing this review, and don't forget the 5 bonuses I mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you buy this product through the link below, you'll find access to all the additional products waiting in your account. And lastly, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more content, reviews and tips.